De Moivre's theorem, part 6.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session we will discuss few problems. So see the first problem. If x is equal to 6 theta, then find the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. So see the first solution. So given x is equal to 6 theta, so that means x is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. Now find x power 6. So what is that? Cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of 6. Here we have to apply De Moivre's theorem. That is x power 6 is equal to cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. And find 1 by x power 6. So 1 by x power 6 can be written as x to the power of minus 6. So this is replace 6 by minus 6. So what you get? Cos of minus 6 theta plus I sin of minus 6 theta. So clearly this is what? Cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta. So therefore x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 value. So what is x power 6 value here? Cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta and plus 1 by x power 6 value. So cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta. So clearly this both terms should get cancelled. Now cos 6 theta plus cos 6 theta, 2 cos 6 theta. So this is the required answer. So see the second solution. Here if A comma B comma C are angles of a triangle, that means A plus B plus C is equals to 180, such that x is equal to given, that is x is equal to cis A and y is equal to cis B and z is equal to cis C. Now find x, y, z. See here x, y, z is what? Cis A into cis B into cis C. So you know that cis A, cis B, cis C can be written as cis of A plus B plus C. So again this is what? Cis A plus B plus C is 180. So how to write cis 180? This is cos 180 plus I sin 180. So cos 180 value minus 1 and sin 180 value is 0. So clearly this value is minus 1. So therefore xyz value is what? Minus 1. So see here third solution. If the cube roots of unity are 1 omega omega square, then find the roots of equation x minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 8 equals to 0. So see here given cube roots of unity. So what are the cube roots of unity? 1 omega omega square. Okay. Now see here given equation is what? X minus whole to the power of 3 plus 8 is equals to 0. So from this x minus 1 whole to the power of 3 is equals to minus 8. This can be written as minus 2 to the power of 3 into 1. So clearly this can be written as here x minus 1 is equals to what? Minus 2 into 1 power 1 by 3. So you know that cube roots of unity are what? 1 omega omega square. So therefore clearly x minus 1 is equals to minus 2 into, see here 1 comma omega square. So first one x minus 1 is equals to minus 2. So clearly what is x value? Minus 2 plus 1. You will get minus 1. And second one x minus 1 is equals to minus 2 omega. So clearly x is equals to 1 minus 2 omega. And last one x minus 1 is equals to minus 2 omega square. So from this x is equals to what? 1 minus 2 omega square. Therefore clearly roots are what? Minus 1, 1 minus 2 omega, 1 minus 2 omega square. So these are the required roots. So see the question number 4. Find all the values of these 3. So see the first solution. We are given root 3 plus I whole to the power of 1 by 4. Okay. So first let z is equal to root 3 plus I. So clearly it in the form of x plus iy. So here we have to multiply and divide with the square root of x square plus y square. So right here multiply and divide with square root of x square plus y square. So clearly this is what square root of root 3 whole square 3. So this is plus 1. You will get 2. So therefore z can be written as 2 times of root 3 by 2 plus I into 1 by 2. Now z is equals to 2 times of, here write root 3 by 2 plus I into 1 by 2 in terms of cos theta plus I sin theta. So clearly this is cos pi by 6 plus I into sin pi by 6. Okay. Now z power 1 by 4. So how to write 2 power 1 by 4 into cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 whole to the power of 1 by 4. So here this can be written as 2 power 1 by 4 cis of 2k pi plus pi by 6. So whole to the power of 1 by 4. Now here you have to apply de Meuse theorem. That is 2 power 1 by 4 cis of, that is 2k plus 1 by 6 of pi divided by 4. Here what are the k values? 0, 1, 2, 3. So again this can be written as 2 power 1 by 4 cis of 6 into 2. 12k plus 1 into pi by 6 into 4, 24. So where k values are 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is the required solution. So see the second solution. Let z is equal to minus I. So z can be written as 0 minus I. So clearly z is equals to cos 90 minus I into sin 90. So clearly again z can be written as cos of minus pi by 2 plus I into sin of minus pi by 2. Now z power 1 by 6, that is minus I power whole to the power of 1 by 6. So clearly this is what cos of minus pi by 2 plus I sin of minus pi by 2 whole to the power of 1 by 6. So here this can be written as cis of minus pi by 2 whole to the power of 1 by 6. So clearly this can be also write as cis of 2k pi minus pi by 2 whole to the power of 1 by 6. Here k is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore minus I whole to the power of 1 by 6 can be written as cis of 2k minus 1 by 2 into pi by 6. Here k values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again this can be written as cis of 4k minus 1 into pi by 12, where k is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the required solution. So see the question number 3. Minus 32 whole to the power of 1 by 5. Okay. So see here this can be written as minus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 5 into 2 power 5 whole to the power of 1 by 5. So 5 get cancelled. You will get 2 into minus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 5. See here, let z is equals to -1. So here -1 can be written as -y plus I into 0. So clearly z is equal to cos pi plus I sin pi. Now take z power 1 by 5, that is -1 power 1 by 5. So this is cos pi plus I sin pi whole to the power of 1 by 5. So simply this can be written as cis of 2k pi plus pi whole to the power of 1 by 5. Here k is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again -1 power 1 by 5 can be written as cis of, so apply Demoivre's theorem, you will get 2k plus 1 into pi by 5. So where k is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore -32 whole to the power of 1 by 5 is equals to what? 2 into this one. So 2 into this one is what? Cis of 2k plus 1 into pi by 5. So where k is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the required solution. So here question number 5. Here 1 omega omega square are cube roots of unity. Then prove that these two. See here first solution. So given 1 comma omega square are cube roots of unity. That is 1 plus omega square is equals to 0 and omega cube is equals to what? 1. Now consider the LHS value. So what is that? 1 by 2 plus omega plus 1 by 1 plus 2 omega. So here what is the LCM? 2 plus omega into 1 plus 2 omega. So this is 1 plus 2 omega plus 2 plus omega. So here 2 plus 1 3, 2 omega plus omega 3 omega. So divide by multiplying these two. So 2 plus 4 omega plus omega plus 2 omega into omega, 2 omega square. Okay. Now here this can be written as 3 times of 1 plus omega. Okay. Now here this can be written as 2 plus 2 omega square plus 5 omega can be written as 2 omega plus 3 omega. Now see here again this can be written as 3 into 1 plus omega divided by, so in first 3 terms 2 is common. So you will get 1 plus omega square plus 3 omega. So what is 1 plus omega value? Minus omega square. So minus 3 omega square by 2 into 1 plus omega square is 0 plus 3 omega. So clearly this is minus 3 omega square by 3 omega. So 3, 3, 1 omega get cancelled. Now this is what? Minus omega. So multiply and divide 1 plus omega. So because of here you want to prove 1 by 1 plus omega. So that's why here multiply and divide 1 plus omega. So this is minus omega and minus omega into omega, minus omega square by 1 plus omega. So what is this value from this? So clearly 1. So 1 by 1 plus omega. So this is RHS. So this is the required answer. So see our second question. So what is LHS value? 2 minus omega, 2 minus omega square, 2 minus omega power 10, 2 minus omega power 11. So see here this can be written as 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square, 2 minus this can be written as omega into omega cube whole to the power of 3, and this one 2 minus omega square into omega cube whole to the power of 3. So you know that omega cube value is 1. So this is 2 minus omega, 2 minus omega square, 2 minus omega, and this one 2 minus omega square. So clearly this is what 2 minus omega whole square into 2 minus omega square whole square. Now simplify this. This is, so multiplying 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square. So 2 into 2 4. Next minus 2 omega square minus 2 omega minus into minus plus omega cube whole square. Now clear, this is 4 minus 2 omega square minus 2 omega cube value is 1. See here, this 4 plus 1, that is 5. Here minus 2 is common, square is there, minus 2 is common. You will get omega plus omega square whole square. Again this is 5 minus 2 into minus 1 whole square. So this is 7 square, you will get 49. So this is the required answer. So see the question number 6. Here 1 omega square are cube roots of unity, then find these two. So given 1 comma omega square are cube roots of unity. So therefore that is 1 plus omega square value is 0 and omega cube is equals to 1. Main sum of the cube roots of unity 0, product of the cube roots of unity 1. So see the first solution. A plus b omega plus c omega square divided by c plus a omega plus b omega square and plus a plus b omega plus c omega square divided by b plus c omega plus a omega square. So see here, for first term multiply and divide omega square. For second term multiply and divide omega. Now see here, this is omega square into a plus b omega plus c omega square. So multiplying omega square inside, so what you get, c omega square plus a omega cube plus b omega power 4, and this one omega into a plus b omega plus c omega square, and multiplying omega inside, what you get, b omega plus c omega square plus a omega cube. So clear, this is omega square into a plus b omega plus c omega square divided by, see here, this is c omega square plus a omega cube value is 1 plus b into omega power 4, write as omega into omega cube. So clearly we will get b omega and plus omega into a plus b omega plus c omega square. So here also b omega plus c omega square, omega cube value is 1. So we will get t. So clearly these two terms get cancelled. So omega square plus omega. So what you get, that is minus 1. So this is the required answer. So see the second solution. So 1 minus omega plus omega power 6 plus 1 minus omega square plus omega power 6. So see here, 1 plus omega square can be written as minus omega. So minus omega whole to the power of 6. And here 1 plus omega can be written as minus omega square. So minus omega square whole to the power of 6. So this is minus 2 omega whole to the power of 6. And this is minus 2 omega square whole to the power of 6. So in both terms 2 power 6 is common. So we will get omega power 6 plus omega square whole to the power of 6. You will get omega power 12. Now clear, this is 2 power 6 into omega power 6 can be written as omega cube whole to the power of 2, and this one omega power 3 whole to the power of 4. So what is omega cube value? 1. So this is 2 power 6 into 1 plus 1. So 2 power 7, you will get 128. So this is the required answer. So see the question number 7. Here 1 omega square are cube roots of unity. Then prove that x square plus 4x plus 7 equals to 0. So where x value is given. So see here, you know that 1 plus omega square is 0 and omega cube is 1. So here what is x value? Omega minus omega square minus 2. So from this x plus 2 is equals to what? Omega minus omega square. Now you are squaring on both sides. So what you get? X plus 2 whole square is equal to omega minus omega square whole square. So this is x square plus 4 plus 4x. And this is what? Omega square plus omega power 4 minus 2 omega cube. So x square plus 4 plus 4x. This is omega square. Omega power 4 is what? Omega. And this is minus 2. So clearly x square plus 4 plus 4x. So omega square plus omega value, that is minus 1 minus 2. So therefore x square plus 4x plus 7 is equals to 0. So this is the required answer. So for next session we will discuss new chapter